If ElevenLabs AI is not working for you, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to generating clean, natural sounding audio again. Whether you're dealing with failed generations, weird audio glitches, broken text, or voice issues, these simple checks can usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick AI troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's start with the quickest system fixes first. The very first thing you should check is your credit balance. ElevenLabs generation can stop completely when your credits hit zero. So if nothing is working, open your account and make sure you still have available balance or remaining generation credits. This is one of the most common reasons people think the platform is broken when it's actually just out of credits. Next, disable your VPN if you're using one. VPNs can sometimes trigger blocking or security restrictions that interfere with the ElevenLabs platform. If you have a VPN active, turn it off completely, refresh the page, and try again. In many cases, that alone solves the issue instantly. If the problem is still there, go to your browser address bar, click on Site Settings for ElevenLabs, and clear the browser cache and cookies for that site. Old cache files or corrupted cookies can cause login issues, failed requests, or pages that don't load correctly. After clearing them, reload ElevenLabs and sign in again. You should also check your extensions. Turn off any auto-translate extensions, ad blockers or browser tools that may be interfering with the site. These extensions can block buttons, break the editor, or stop audio from generating properly. If ElevenLabs starts working after disabling them, you've found the cause. Now let's move into the script and text fixes, because even when the site is working, the text itself can cause problems. If your script is very long, split it into smaller paragraphs. Huge blocks of text can sometimes cause formatting issues, generation errors, or unstable output. Breaking your script into shorter sections usually makes the workflow much smoother. Also remove emojis, non-standard punctuation, and any broken symbols from your text. Special characters can confuse the system and cause generation failures or odd pronunciation issues. Keep the text clean, simple, and consistent for the best results. If you're using emotional tags, make sure to place them in square brackets like this: happy or serious. Put them at the start or end of the sentence rather than randomly inside the line. That helps the system interpret the delivery more accurately and reduces formatting errors. For pauses, use. Instead of dashes, extra periods, or messy spacing, this is a much cleaner way to control pacing in ElevenLabs, and it helps avoid issues with text interpretation. If the timing feels off, using proper break tags can make a big difference. Now let's fix the audio and voice settings. If the voice sounds distorted or has an inconsistent tone, increase stability. This can help smooth out the delivery and make the voice sound more steady from sentence to sentence. If the voice is too unstable or dramatic, raising stability usually improves the result. If you're hearing pops, plosives, or harsh consonant sounds, increase clarity. That setting can reduce unwanted mouth noise and make the voice cleaner and easier to listen to. Adjust it gradually until the audio sounds natural but still sharp. If only one paragraph is causing trouble, don't regenerate the entire project. Regenerate only the problematic paragraph. This saves time and keeps the rest of your audio intact. It's a much faster way to troubleshoot without losing the sections that already sound good. And if you're using a cloned voice, the training audio quality matters a lot. Make sure the voice clone training audio is clean, noise-free, and volume consistent, ideally around -23 to -18 dB RMS. Poor source audio can lead to unstable voices, strange pronunciation, or low quality output, no matter how good your settings are. So to recap quickly, check your credits, disable VPN, clear cache and cookies, turn off conflicting extensions, clean up your script formatting, use proper emotional tags and pause tags, then fine-tune stability and clarity for better audio quality. If needed, regenerate only the broken paragraph and make sure your clone audio is properly recorded. If this guide helped you fix ElevenLabs AI not working, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, AI tool guides, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.